Welcome to Internet Capsule. The universe is a reflection of consciousness. Everything in your life, your reality and your experiences, is like an audition for your attention. Just as celestial bodies orbit around the sun, your thoughts, feelings, perceptions, and sensations depend entirely on the energy you invest. That which you ignore ceases to exist in your experiential realm. The challenge arises from the unconsciousness with which we often navigate this process. Anything that transpires in your life need not become your experience if you choose not to lend it your attention. This may sound counterintuitive, but it's a fact worth considering. When you refuse to invest your attention, events and circumstances lose their impact on your vibrational frequency. In the realm of the law of attraction, thoughts are often touted as creators of reality. However, thoughts in and of themselves are empty vessels. They simply vie for your attention. You hold the power to energize them by saying yes or dismiss them with a no thank you. Thoughts direct the flow of your energy, determining the universe's response. Thus, the key to speaking with the universe lies in directing your energy toward thoughts that resonate with positivity and ignoring those that emanate negativity. Number 1 on our journey to speak to the universe is paying attention to your attention. From the moment you enter this world, the universe inquires, what do you want? To effectively communicate your desires to the universe, understand the language of energy it speaks. The universe doesn't discern languages. It reads your vibrational reactions. Any reaction you offer to the universe is seen as a yes, please give me more of that. Understanding this dynamic is akin to mastering the art of selective engagement. Much like a skilled conductor directing an orchestra, we must choose which thoughts and emotions to amplify through our attention. When we elect to focus our attention on a particular aspect of our reality, we are, in essence, casting a vote for its amplification. Conversely, by withholding our attention from specific thoughts or circumstances, we convey a message to the universe that we are disinterested or opposed to their presence in our experience. This profound realization underscores our immense power in the co-creation of our reality. Our attention serves as the conduit through which we communicate our preferences to the universe, dictating the composition of our life symphony. Moving on to the second aspect, think and speak in the present tense. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, recognizes only the now as reality, as everything unfolds in the present moment. Past and future thoughts may arise, but they are like echoes, while the present is where the universe listens intently. When we contemplate the universe as a manifestation of consciousness, we realize that the very act of thinking is a form of communication with this expansive entity. However, the universe comprehends our thoughts and feelings differently than we might initially perceive. Consider this. If you repeatedly say, "I will be successful," the universe hears, "I don't want success right now." Instead, feel as if you already possess what you seek. Every conceivable reality already exists, including what you desire. Feel as if you've already achieved it, and the universe will begin to shape your reality accordingly. The profound implication is that we need to feel as though we already possess what we aim to attract. Every potential reality exists in the vast tapestry of existence, including the one we seek. By immersing ourselves in the present moment, feeling as if we've already achieved our desires, we begin to synchronize our vibrational frequency with the universe's creative forces. Thus, communication with the universe involves not just the articulation of desires, but the embodiment of those desires in the now. Continuing our quest to understand how to speak to the universe, we reach the crucial step of expanding your consciousness. To do so is akin to acquiring expertise in a complex game where the rules are not always evident. Life, unlike a linear story, is a dynamic and interactive game, and your level of mastery is determined by your awareness of its multifaceted dimensions. Consider this analogy. When you engage in a poker game with seasoned players, those who are novices can easily fall prey to their strategic maneuvers. In a similar vein, as you expand your consciousness and become aware of the myriad variables in the universe, you enhance your ability to navigate the complexities of life. It's akin to learning the unspoken rules of the game, enabling you to make well-informed decisions and ultimately gain greater control over your own reality. The process of expanding your consciousness entails broadening your awareness of your inner self, your thought patterns, and the universe that surrounds you. In this game of existence, the more variables you uncover and understand, the better equipped you become to play it skillfully. By embracing this expanded awareness, you transition from being a passive player to an active participant, making informed choices that align with your desired reality. Our fourth step is listening to your guidance system, which serves as your compass in the vast universe of energy. The universe doesn't understand human languages, it converses in the language of energy. Thoughts and words often prove unreliable, as they rarely align with your true inner state. Your feelings, your gut, your intuitive responses, they serve as your guidance system. When something feels good, it resonates with your true path. Conversely, when it feels bad, it indicates a divergence from your authentic self. The guidance system hinges on resonance. Follow what resonates with you, ignore what doesn't, and do not grant significance to what induces negativity. The egoic mind may attempt to convince you that following it will lead to pleasure. However, it's vital to discern the difference between ego-driven desires and true resonance. If it feels good, trust it. If it feels bad, release it. By consistently following the breadcrumb trail of what feels good, you align yourself with your true path, eliminating the need for overthinking. Now let's delve into our fifth and final step, harnessing the power of repetition. To fathom the universe's workings, peer into the realm of your subconscious mind, which mirrors the universe's modus operandi. The law of attraction primarily draws from your subconscious. It disregards the fleeting thoughts of your conscious mind, which continually flit between various subjects. Your subconscious mind, unlike the conscious one, lacks the capacity to reject information. It remains impartially validating all viewpoints. The subconscious cannot differentiate between reality and imagination, often evoking emotions as if past events were unfolding in the present. It's essential then to remain grounded in the present and avoid dwelling on past wounds, for lingering there can attract similar experiences and perpetuate old mistakes. Moreover, the subconscious lacks intentionality. It's merely a repository of stored data. It absorbs what garners the most attention, including the sum of your social conditioning and personal experiences. Your subconscious does not filter unhealthy thoughts. That responsibility falls upon your shoulders. Utilizing the power of repetition, you can actively reprogram your subconscious beliefs. Suppose you aspire to transform from insecurity to confidence. Repeatedly affirming, "I am the most confident person in the world," can be your mantra. The key lies in not merely parting empty words, but in genuinely feeling the confidence you seek. Here, it's essential to recognize that your present state is irrelevant. Your focus should be on what you aspire to become. By persistently reinforcing positive affirmations, they begin to coalesce energetically. Subsequently, your subconscious grasps this shift and starts manifesting it in your field of experience. As you truly feel more confident, your actions, behavior, and words will naturally reflect this newfound confidence. As we draw this journey to a close, it's important to understand the profound truth that has been woven throughout each chapter. You are the universe, and the universe is a reflection of your inner state. The process of communicating with the universe is not a passive act. It is an intentional and dynamic co-creation. By becoming aware of your thoughts, feelings, and energy, you step into a position of power where you have the ability to influence and shape your reality in alignment with your deepest desires. Every thought you think, every emotion you feel, and every action you take is a conversation with the universe. The universe does not communicate in words, but through energy and vibration. It listens to the resonance of your inner world, reflecting back to you the reality you are energetically aligned with. Understanding this, we see that our reality is not something happening to us, but something we are actively creating with every moment of focused attention and intention. One of the most vital realizations in this process is the power of attention. What you focus on grows, and what you ignore diminishes. By consciously choosing where to place your attention, you are effectively selecting the aspects of your reality that you wish to amplify. This selective engagement allows you to navigate life like a skilled conductor leading an orchestra, choosing which thoughts, feelings, and experiences to highlight and which to let fade away. This practice empowers you to become the master of your life's symphony, directing the flow of your energy toward that which resonates with your highest potential. Yet attention is only part of the equation. The universe operates in the present moment, and so must you. The practice of living and speaking in the present tense is crucial, because the universe only responds to what exists in the now. When you think or say, "I will be successful," the universe interprets that as you currently lacking success, because it only recognizes the energy of the present. Therefore, you must embody the feeling of already having achieved what you seek. This embodiment aligns your vibrational frequency with that of your desired reality, prompting the universe to reflect that state back to you. In doing so, you begin to manifest your desires, not as distant possibilities, but as present realities. Your guidance system, your intuition, feelings, and gut instincts serves as the compass in this vast sea of energy. The universe communicates with you, not through logic or language, but through resonance. When something feels good, it is a sign that you are aligned with your true path. When something feels bad, it is an indication that you are diverging from your authentic self. By trusting this inner guidance system and following what resonates with your deepest truth, you align yourself with the flow of the universe. In doing so, you bypass the need for overthinking and allow your path to unfold with ease and grace. Perhaps the most crucial tool in this journey is the power of repetition. Your subconscious mind, like the universe, does not discriminate between truth and illusion. It absorbs whatever you feed it through repetitive thoughts and emotions. By consistently affirming positive beliefs and visualizing the life you wish to create, you are reprogramming your subconscious mind to align with your higher vision. This process of reprogramming allows you to shed old patterns of fear, doubt, and limitation, replacing them with a mindset rooted in abundance, confidence, and possibility. Remember, the subconscious mind is always at work, reflecting your deeply held beliefs and thoughts into the physical realm. The more you repeat empowering affirmations and cultivate positive emotions, the more your external world will begin to mirror those internal shifts. This is the essence of the law of attraction, like attracts like. When you vibrate at the frequency of your desired reality, the universe has no choice but to reflect that reality back to you. Finally, it is essential to acknowledge that this process of co-creation is not a one-time event, but a continuous practice. Each day, you have the opportunity to realign with your highest self and recalibrate your energy to match the reality you wish to experience. By consistently engaging with the universe in this way, you become the artist of your life, painting a reality that reflects your deepest desires and highest aspirations. In conclusion, the power to shape your reality lies within you. The universe is not separate from you. It is a part of you, responding to your every thought, feeling, and action. By mastering the art of attention, living in the present moment, expanding your consciousness, trusting your intuition, and harnessing the power of repetition, you can communicate with the universe in a way that aligns with your highest purpose. Your reality is your canvas, and you are the artist. The question is no longer, what can the universe give you, but what will you create with the universe? You are both the creator and the created. Embrace this truth and watch as your world transforms in ways that align with your highest vision. Thank you for watching. Hit like, share, and subscribe.